So this is how you would winterize your Holcombe mixer. First, you want to dump your water. Go ahead and drain your water tank out. You shut this valve here, pull your water screen out. Alright, so once your water is mainly drained out, go ahead and install your filter. You want to be sure you leave both of these valves open. Come to the back of your machine. Right here is an air supply valve to the water system. You'd open this valve and it blows out your water system towards the front of the truck. Go ahead and shut the valve. Come back to the front of your truck. Shut both your water tank valves. Open your water bypass valve. Open the pit cock on your pump. Go back to your air valve. Now you're purging the pump and the bypass water line. Shut the air off. Come back here and shut your water line off. There's still leftover air in there. At the end of everything, the last thing you should do is make sure you pull your water screen off and dump any residual water in there. Reinstall it. So now once you've purged your main water line of air and water, go ahead and close your pit cock on your pump. Come back up here, open your main air again. Now you're going to be bleeding the water off the system from your water valve back through your flow meters and spray bar. This is all running off the truck air system, so you need to be sure you have adequate air pressure in the truck to make this work. So you just pulse it on and off a couple times, your water setting. Okay, now you've purged your whole water system. So let's move on to your admix system. First, you would go ahead and drain your admix. You could save this for all intents and purposes. We're just using water for this test. I'd recommend you saving your admix. So you just open those valves and drain your admix system. All right, so once you've drained your admix out, go ahead and close these valves right here. You want to go back over to your control station. Make sure your water setting is in the neutral position. Come over here and open up your air. Then this is your air supply to your admix, or you can fill your admix with water this way. Right here, we're gonna open up the valve to admix 2. Make sure your tank valve is off. And now it's gonna force water through your admix 2 flow meter. It's purging water. Come back over here, shut your valve off. Go to admix 1. Turn your valve on. Your tank off. Your flush valve on. Now we're flushing air through the admix 1 flow meter through the header. Let it run for a little bit to purge the water out. Alright, to take it one step further and prime your admix system with glycol, or in this case we're using windshield wiper fluid. You get your hose, stick it down in there. Make sure your valve's open. Leave this valve cracked open just at the beginning, and then go turn on your admix 1 pump. Manually on. Now, once this system has been primed, you turn this valve off and you'll see it start to suck. And now it'll go to the admix flow meter. Turn it off. Your admix 1 has been purged with antifreeze. Now for the admix 2 system, you would turn that off, switch hoses, make sure your tank is off, this valve is on. Manually turn on your pump 2. You'll see the antifreeze start to come through this flow meter shortly. Make sure this valve is open. There's your antifreeze. You can hear it purging through the manifold. Turn your pump off. Turn your valve off. Your admix system has been